Are you a business owner or freelancer looking for a new way to manage your finances? Have you heard of Qonto, but you're not entirely sure what they offer? Specifically, you might be asking yourself, is Qonto a credit card? It's a common question, and one that gets to the heart of how modern fintech companies are changing the landscape of business banking. Traditional banks have a clear distinction between debit and credit, but with all the new features, benefits, and a different approach to money management, it can get a little confusing. So let's clear up the confusion and get to the bottom of this. To put it simply, no, Qonto does not offer a traditional credit card. Instead, they provide business debit cards. Now, that might sound like a deal breaker for some of you who rely on a credit line, but stick with me, because there's a lot more to the story. The main difference between a debit card and a credit card is simple. A debit card draws money directly from your available balance, while a credit card lets you borrow money up to a certain limit. With Qonto's cards, all your spending is directly linked to the funds in your Qonto business account. This is a deliberate choice on Qonto's part, aligning with their focus on smart, transparent, and controlled spending for businesses. It's a way to keep you from running up debt and to ensure you're always operating within your means. But here's where it gets interesting. Qonto's debit cards come with many features that you might typically associate with a credit card. For example, they offer different tiers of cards, like the 1, Plus, and X cards, each with varying payment limits, cash withdrawal limits, and insurance coverage. The Premium X card even provides perks like concierge service and airport lounge access. These are not your average, bare-bones debit cards. They're designed to be powerful financial tools for businesses. You also get a high degree of control over your cards. Through the Qonto app, you can set custom payment limits, block or unblock cards instantly, and create virtual cards for specific online purchases. This level of flexibility and security is a huge benefit, especially for managing team expenses. You can issue a virtual card to an employee with a specific spending limit and for a specific purpose, giving them autonomy while maintaining total control over your business's finances. So, while you might not be getting a credit line, you are getting a sophisticated business banking solution that provides many of the perks and protections of a credit card, but with the added financial discipline of a debit card. Qonto's approach is about empowering you to manage your cash flow with real-time visibility and robust features, rather than providing a line of credit that could lead to debt. Ultimately, whether Qonto is the right fit for you depends on your business needs. If building a credit history or having a revolving line of credit is your top priority, you might need to look elsewhere or use a combination of financial products. But if you're a freelancer or a small business owner who values a clear, controlled, and feature-rich way to handle your daily finances, Qonto's powerful debit cards and business account could be exactly what you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.